Welcome to Wednesday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Whiz, founder and CEO here at TGO. And the market's getting back a lot of what it gave up yesterday. Dow is up triple digits, S&P's up over 10, and seeing a big bounce. Got some relatively good news, depends on how you look at it, out of Japan overnight. The Bank of Japan said, hey, I think we're good. They had a monetary policy statement last night and says, hey, we really don't need to boost our stimulus anymore, as they raised their view of the economy, business investment, as it shows that it's that sales tax that we've talked about that went into effect April 1st from 5 to 8%. Big increase. A lot of folks were scared that was going to really throttle back the Japanese economy, and it looks like it's not doing that bad. So good move out of Japan. Is going to send our markets a little bit higher. But also today, we're going to get our Fed minutes at 2 p.m. We're going to get the FOMC minutes. So market's higher going into that, but that's also, a market could whip around based on what comes out of that. Seeing a lot of retailers report. Tiffany was an interesting big beat this morning out of the high-end retailer. So that was an interesting beat. Also, later tonight, the HSBC Flash Manufacturing PMI out of China. That's going to be potentially market moving for us tomorrow morning. Thursday, weekly options claims, existing home sales, and then Friday, we're going to get new home sales as well. Ukraine still kind of on the radar, but Putin for the 15th time is saying, hey, I'm going to pull back forces from the border there. Don't hold your breath. But market's kind of taking that a little bit in stride as well. And very interesting that the other day, Russia and China signed this historic $400 billion gas deal. So as we kind of get into a new Cold War with Russia, who do they jump in bed with? China. So it's going to be very interesting, folks, as the United States starts to take a back bench to what's going on around the world, as all these big countries start doing deals together, as opposed to the United States. Got to run here. Got a live trading session this morning, but also just as importantly, have a managed account brief this afternoon at 1 p.m. with the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor based up in Illinois. If you can't join us, go to the Top Gun Options homepage and click on that F18 interested in managed accounts up on that top right, and you'll be able to shoot us an email, managedaccounts@topgunoptions.com, if you're interested in getting more information on this registered investment advisor that's been averaging 22.5% returns in the past 4 years. I mean, that's some pretty serious performance there. Also launched a hedge fund recently with a similar strategy, so it's doing pretty well here. But you can also go to the managed accounts page and register for the next webinar by clicking on that link right here. And obviously that webinar is today at 1 p.m. Okay, so I got to run. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. I'll be back with Thursday's Market SITREP here at TGO.